Do you know what one of the most debilitating illnesses that you can catch today? It's the virus known as mediocrity. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And I was looking at an article by a gentleman named Moreno Zugaro called The Masks of Mediocrity. And I really liked it, and I want to share it with you. It makes some really, really strong points. And I kind of cut it down to points that really I want you to stick with. So pay attention to this article. It's really good. It's called The Masks of Mediocrity. The most important concept I learned from studying business at two of Europe's top universities is about opportunity cost. The true cost of your doings is always higher than you think because you forgo something else for it. Your time is finite, and to say yes to A, you have to say no to B. Most people aren't aware of this opportunity cost, and that's what makes mediocrity so harmful. You think your mediocre relationship doesn't hurt since you at least have someone to cuddle and watch Netflix with. But if instead you were single and looking to mingle, you could meet the man or woman of your dreams. You think your mediocre work doesn't hurt because it pays the bills and doesn't make you hate your life. But if instead you spent the time looking for other positions, you could find your dream job and do something meaningful. Of course, there's always something better out there, but that's not the point. The point is, if you think mediocrity doesn't hurt, but it does. It keeps you from taking your life to the next level and making your dreams come true. It latches onto you like a leech, slowly sapping you of your ambitions, energy, and excitement. It replaces the life you dream of with one that's good enough. You settle for convenience. Your I want to's become I wish I had's. But your life can be so much more, and you deserve to take that route. Mediocrity is a silent killer in disguise. To avoid it, you first have to know what to look for. I've lived a mediocre life for years. I was in an all-right relationship, spent my time with all-right studies, and did all right things on all right weekends with all right friends. And it wasn't until I got out of this all right life that I noticed the mediocrity I was stuck in for so long. Mediocrity doesn't show its face outright. It hides behind masks. The first mask of mediocrity is justification. If you find yourself justifying an aspect of your life with lots of buts, all rights, and what ifs, it's mediocrity at its best and self-denial at its worst. Your work isn't awesome, but the pay's all right. And what if you tried to change careers and then couldn't find a new job? You'd starve for sure. So better stay safe. Like a 20-year-old Instagram influencer, you use filters to mask reality. The second mask of mediocrity is complacency. If you felt bad, you'd be eager to change, but your warm nest keeps you comfortable. Sure, you could put effort into your education, working out, or building a side hustle, but why should you? Everything's pretty good as it is. This complacency keeps you stuck in mediocrity. You'll never be down in the dumps, but you'll also never feel like this is it. The third mask disguises mediocrity as the default option. Like Netflix's autoplay, it keeps your life stuck in the same narrative until your series reaches its final episode. High school, degree, work, house, family, retirement, ash to ash, dust to dust. Do what everybody does, get what everybody gets. This is what mediocrity looks like. Now, decide for yourself if you want to go beyond it, actualize your potential, and make your dreams come true. Leaving mediocrity is really a paradox. You don't need more, but less. Avoid the things that won't move your life forward to keep opportunity costs low. Practice subtraction instead of addition. That's the article. Big shout out to the author on that. The key point, singleness of purpose. When you dedicate it to something that you have a burning desire for, it takes you out of the mediocre plane because you're striving for something that's excellent, something that you have to have. Does that make sense? And also, when you live a mediocre lifestyle, one of the things that you don't have about any particular objective is passion. And as we always say on this channel, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.